So you guys, hi, this is Chhavi Mittal and welcome to Being Woman with Chhavi. अभी मैं हूँ अलीबाग में, you know that, और मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी किस तरह के रूम में मैं आज स्टे कर रही हूँ. But before that, don't forget to subscribe. So this is this really cute place in Alibaug. It's called Bohemian Blues. और यहाँ पर सिर्फ टेंट्स हैं which are really pretty and I'm going to be staying in one of these tents and this is what it looks like from the outside. You can see यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा outside area दिया हुआ है. There's a table, really cute one, and there are 2 chairs. और इस तरफ भी it's like a small little lounger and they've done it up really nicely with pretty curtains to give it a very bohemian feel, true to its name. Oh my god, it's a 4-poster bed with a lot of these pretty curtains. मुझे 4-poster beds बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और ये जो curtain वाला feel होता है, it's like so dreamy and it, you know, makes me feel like a princess. So yeah. Look at the ceiling, it's so pretty. यहाँ पर एक TV भी है and this is a small coffee station. They have a small sandook with all of these things. There is a kettle, there are glasses and cups. इस तरफ एक table दिया हुआ है where you can keep your luggage and everything and there is a small fan here, although there is also an AC in the room. This is a cupboard with a mirror. Hey guys! I think it's really sweet कि छोटा सा टेंट है but it's not like congested. There's enough space to move around. आप चाहो तो यहाँ पर एक बेड भी लगा सकते हो, मैट्रेस आ सकता है. And there's an AC which is very very important because बहुत गर्मी है. और कबर्ड है, कॉफी स्टेशन है, टेबल है, ज़रूरत की सारी चीज़ें हैं, पूरा comfort है and also it's done up really nicely, cutely. And now let's see the bathroom. Woohoo! यहाँ पे भी फैन दिया हुआ है and the bathroom is also pretty spacious. It's pretty huge in fact. टेंट्स में लॉकिंग सिस्टम हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है, जिप्स होते हैं. I mean, you can just shut it and the door closes. और बाहर वाले इंसान को पता चल जाता है कि बाथरूम में कोई है तो अंदर नहीं जाना है. What I like most about this place is the attention to detail that they've given. And छोटी छोटी जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं वो प्रोवाइड करना for the guests' comfort is something I really like. And also Mohit and I always keep looking for places which are a little different. We like to have different experiences on a vacation. और ये vacation especially हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे because of my brother and my bhabhi and my niece who are visiting me from Delhi. My niece has never seen a beach before, like she's never really gone on a beach vacation, so she really wanted to come. And Alibaug is the closest. But Alibaug हम लोग इतनी बार आए हैं, we wanted to go to a place which is different from our regular hangout, and hence we discovered this place and I'm so glad we did. Please like this video and share it and subscribe to Being Woman with Chhavi and tell me in the comments how you like this place. Love and peace from me to you.